Welcome to Interactive Matchup, a dynamic and engaging way to break the ice, get to know each other, and even learn something new. Let's see how it's done. Step 1. Start by giving each participant a bingo template sheet. Each square contains a fun or unique characteristic that might describe someone in the group. Step 2. Participants mingle and find others who match the characteristics on their sheet. For example, who has traveled to another country, or who can whistle. Once they find a match, they write that person's name in the box. Step 3. Remember, each person's name can only be used once, so participants need to talk to as many people as possible. Set a time limit for added excitement. Step 4. The first person to complete 4 squares in a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal line, or even the whole sheet, depending on the rules, wins. When they finish, they shout, "Bingo!" After the game, take a moment to reflect. Discuss what new or surprising things you learned about each other. You can even ask participants to share or demonstrate the traits they mentioned, like whistling or naming the countries they visited. Now that you know how to play interactive matchup, it's time to give it a try with your own group. Have fun connecting, discovering, and sharing.